Got some ham today, and some gravy, and the leftover biscuits. So this is our Happy New Year dinner. Black-eyed peas, made some cornbread. Deborah requested cabbage. Not cabbage. I had cabbage, but coleslaw.
I requested cabbage with a creamy sauce.
With a creamy sauce. I was like, I don't know what she's talking about. And you're having some pork. I didn't want any more of the pork, so. Look how pretty you look in your festive New Year's Day outfit.
Thank you. Happy New Year's Day. New Year's 2026 is going to be awesome.
Yes, it is. Let's eat. I forget how much I like black-eyed peas until I have them. I don't eat them throughout the year, but I want to start. They're so good.
So very good.
Good morning. Hey. Finn. Hi. What you doing? We out for a walk on this foggy morning, Sammy? She says, let's go. We have no time for photoing, no time for videoing. We gotta walk. It's very foggy this morning. Good morning. It has been foggy all morning. It's almost 11 o'clock. Let me show you the clouds and the fog on the mountains. Isn't that cool? Fog and the clouds on the mountains. Oh, it's warming up too. Not sure we're going to need long sleeves today. Alright, we are going to go into town and do some shopping, just looking around, walking the tents. No telling what we'll get into. Drinking some hot tea. It's good. I forgot what kind, but it's supposed to be good for your congestion. So, still been coughing a little bit and not really congested, but I figured it'll be a good tea for me to drink. But we are going to go, we got to go to QIA today and get our membership. It's $10. So if you want to participate in any of the QIA activities, you just go in there when they're open and you get your permit. I don't know what it's called. Pay $10 and it's good for a year, I guess. And that way, like if I want to go do the wood carving class or some other class, then I can go participate in any of that. So we got to go to QIA and get that. Then we're going to go eat somewhere, not sure where, and then we're going to go do some. I know we want to go to the kitchen store. There's another store that has all kinds of screws and nuts and bolts and all that. So I want to go there looking for something to hang that shelf in Deborah's rig. And I can't remember if we bought the things that we hung the other two shelves with, if we bought it at that place. I want to say I did, but I'm not sure. So I want to go look there and see if I can find that. And that's always a cool place to look at stuff. But so we're going to make a day of it and just go have some fun and see what else we can get into. Not sure what we're going to eat yet. So I don't know. Could be pizza. I know she has to go to Moon Mountain, so we have to park in the parking lot of Silly Owl's. Then we might as well just go eat at Silly Owl's. That's what I say. But I guess we'll see. Silly Owl's! First time eating at Silly Owl's. We had pizza the other day. Dubs brought some out. But today, we're going to go in and eat at Silly Owl's. You happy? Ooh, I found some. Look at this leader box. Oh, that's pipe tobacco. How cool is it? I love that tin. I wonder how much for the whole box. I love that. Look at that. Oh, leaders. Flies.
Don't look, Surfing Dodo.
I know. Don't look. Oh, look at these flies.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Oh, that's metal or magnetic.
Oh, that's smart.
It is smart. Look at this fly rod. Oh my god!
And then look, it lifts up. I don't know how.
I want that box.
Look.
I want that box. I love stuff like this.
And then here's this side.
How cool is that? Look at that. Oh, here's another.
Ready?
Flies. Yep. How cool is that? That is awesome. So we had so much fun today picking, shopping. To me, I'm picking, looking for treasures out there out here at Quartzsite. You can find all kinds of booths that has all kinds of stuff, antiques, cast iron. Yeah, and we only went to like 3 booths in over an hour, a couple of hours. I don't know, but they had so many cool stuff. And I'm wanting to add some old dinnerwares and from the 1900s or older, and just get to some vintage cookware, dinnerware, and so one of these places, well, I got 2 or 3 things. I got a couple of knives. I'm going to show you that, and just had the best time. And what was fun is there'll be a box full of knives and screwdrivers and thimbles, and and you just kind of dig through it. And I looked at all the little knives, and Deborah found me a pocket knife. So I got me a new, not pocket, neck knife. So this was cool. Yeah. So, I just, you know me and knives. My collection of knives. But anyway, let me turn you around and show you what I got. What I got today. Okay. So I don't buy cast iron out very often because, number one, they're either really, really in horrible shape and they're really expensive, or, well, that's mostly it. They're in bad shape and they're really expensive. So this is a smaller cast iron, and he had all of his cast iron, which all of his was pretty good. He had all of his cast iron marked down 50%. So I was definitely digging and hunting. And this is a Wagnerware. So this is my second one. Cheryl, Pup Camper 58, gave me my first one, which I love. And I just used it in a video the other day. And so this one's pretty good. And he had it marked for $30, and so I got this for $15. So I think that's pretty good. You can't buy cast iron anything, even a little bitty lot, for $15. So I think that's pretty good. I'm not always up on my prices because everywhere I go, everything's so expensive, and I don't think I'd have paid $30 for this just because of the size. Maybe if it was a little bigger, but we found at a different location, we found a lid that would have fit my skillet, my big skillet, 12-inch skillet, and it was a Griswold, and he wanted, I'll put it down here, I'll have to ask Deborah, I want to say he said $60. I was like, for a lid? No. But it was a Griswold, I get it. But anyway, and then I found, in digging through a box, I found these old forks, and these 2 are about the same, And this one's got a different handle. This is more ivory. But I just love these. And I got these for $5 a piece. So $15 for that. I don't know if that's a good price or not. We looked briefly on eBay and it was a good price. This is a little Swiss Army knife. I'm going to clean this one up and give it to Deborah because let me show you. These are hard to, if you find them used, usually you're missing the toothpick. Not that I'd use it as a toothpick, but I guess if you're, you know, like clean it up really good. But they're usually missing the toothpick and missing the tweezers if you ever find these used. So I need to work on the tweezers a little bit. They're bent. But, so that's a good find. And another thing that's usually wrong with these, oops, don't lose the tweezers. Is these have a pair of scissors on them. And usually the scissors don't work, but these work. So I thought that was a pretty good find. And so this was, I was digging through a box of knives and found this one. The other one that I found that I'm really excited about, it's missing a little screw, but I might be able to find one. But this is, and it isn't, it's not stiff or anything. And this is, I don't think it's really name brand. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. I got this for $3. And I love the pliers, and they work. And then these also have it's got knives and a file and a little screwdriver. And on this side, it has scissors also. And the scissors work on it really good. And then it's got other little tools too. It actually has a Phillips head, which my other one, what I'm going to show you, doesn't. So I have, this is kind of a replacement. This is what I carry with me every day. Looks familiar? Yeah. And this is a Leatherman Squirt PSA. They don't make these anymore. And look, it's the same. And I'm so afraid I'm going to lose this one that I've been looking for one to replace it. So, not to replace it, but if I actually lose it. But I started carrying this when I got Sammy because when we go hiking, or if she got some kind of cactus in her feet or something, and I can't pull it out with my fingers because it's thorns, I have this with me at all times that I can pull it out. And another reason why I like that, like this, is because of, yep, it's got scissors. So I use the scissors all the time, and I use the little pliers all the time, and it has another knife. I mean, there's a file, and it's got a knife, but they don't make this anymore. And I'm trying to look for a replacement that's this small, so because it fits in my pocket, and I carry this every day. But it's got the little screwdrivers too. But I found this, and I paid $3 for it. So like I said, it's missing that one little screw, but maybe I'll find another one that can fix it. But I think that right there was awesome. Alright, then I've been wanting to make biscuits. I talked about that. And I didn't have a pastry cutter inner thingy. So this one, I just got off some table where I got this knife. And I showed you this neck knife. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Pretty cool. So I got 3 knives. Today I got 3 knives. And then I got this windscreen. Brand new. He threw this in for free. Where I got that and the forks. He threw this in, look. Brand new. And not been used. Everybody needs another windscreen. I only have one. And sometimes, yeah, I do need two, and I can clip them together. But is that not the coolest thing? So, I think I got a great deal on all this, and it was a haul. Yeah, so I think I got a pretty good deal on all of it. And yeah, this knife was $5. This neck knife. So, anyway, had a blast today. Looking and picking and grinning and loving digging through boxes looking for. Found some old coins and just not comfortable in buying coins yet. I've been trying to learn more about them, and of course I think I've mentioned how high silver is now these days. So looking for anything silver, and looked at some other forks and serving spoons, looking for sterling silver, but no go there. But found some Eisenhower dollars, bicentennial. I'm gonna look those up because I might have to, if they're close in price, I might have to go back and get those. But anyway, had a blast. Y'all do that? Do y'all go out scouting or picking, hunting treasures? Yeah. Now that I have really a home base, I can do it more often. But this is going to go on some of my camp kits that I'm going to bring on the road with me. Yeah, this might have to stay. I can't carry all my cast iron, so some of it's got to stay behind. But anyway, had a blast today. I'll see y'all in the next video.